Under the city COVID mapping mitigation project from the US State Department, we collected data in the city of Kericho in Kenya. The goal of the data collection was to convert that data into information that is useful for local citizens and insightful for local officials. For the Kericho project success, it was important to make sure we have the right people, process, and platform in place. From a people perspective, we needed people with the correct data, with the right and required data skills, as well as a very good understanding of the local context. From a process perspective, it was important to build relationship with key stakeholders and also make sure that we can replicate the pilot in every single city in the world. From a platform perspective, it was important to have a platform that enables us to convert the data into information that creates analytics and the insights that in turn enable policymakers to make data-driven decisions. For a project execution, we had a 7-member team that was trained. They collected data on health and educational facility, and that enables us to get some insight into SDG 3 and SDG 4. In addition, using some of the facility data that we collected, we were able to get insight into SDG 5, 6, and 7.
This is a sample that was collected in Kericho County. For example, I want to go to a place. I just come here, go to setting, go setting and change where I want. You see, if I want Kenya, I want DRC, can just change this to DRC. Then as we said, Bukavu. Most of the things that we were asking was on education and health and medical. So if you can just choose health and medical, it gives you an overview of what it is.
The facility-based data model looks at the data and information that is most useful for citizens to have and uses that data to baseline and track SDG progress. We use that to identify vulnerable populations and measure the impact of social programs and investments. We have the right process and partnerships in place. We have the right technology platforms. We have trained and have the right people on the ground. We are now looking to scale the Kericho initiative across Kenya and other countries.